In Twisted Graphene, you compete against the device. On your turn, take a colored pawn from the bank and place it on a white side of a side hexagon. In its turn, the device places a pawn on a black side. Do not place a pawn of a certain color on a certain side hexagon if it already has that color. No possible moves? Click on Out of Moves. The device had no pawn to place on a black side and you won. Click on Scores to get the accumulated results. Click on Share Results to submit the results to social media. Click on Home to get the home screen. To clear previous results, click on Reset Results. I won 85% of 20 games. Could you do better?